Have you ever stopped to appreciate the very thing that keeps you alive? The air you breathe? What if I told you that gratitude for something so simple, the air that you breathe, can actually unlock more energy, more clarity and more abundance in your life? Today, we are diving into day 23 practice, which is the magical air that you breathe. Right? Stay with me till the end because this practice will change the way you experience your life every single day. So let's start with day 23 practice, the magical air that you breathe. So it's day 23, the magical air that you breathe. In this picture, you can see there's a tree from which we get oxygen, we get air. The very reason why we are alive, right? And there are some magical sprinkles all over because today is the day that will remind us to express our gratitude, our blessings, our thankfulness to the air, the very thing that actually is very important in our life. And just because of this only, we all are alive, right? Because once you express your gratitude for the air, which is the most important thing in your life, you will unlock your abundance journey forever. Okay, so let's start it. So it is quite possible to leave your home for a walk in the early morning air and return a different person, beguiled and enchanted, right? See, whenever you go for a morning walk, when you go and after you come back, you feel very different. You feel fresh when you breathe in the fresh air early in the morning, right? So there is magic in the air that you breathe, right? So if someone had told me a few years ago to be grateful for the air that I breathe, I would have thought the person was crazy. It would not have made a bit of sense to me. Why on earth would anyone be grateful for the air they breathe? Right, it is so natural, it is so normal. Everyone is breathing. Why should I be grateful? It is available to everyone. This is nothing that is special. हम लोग सब यही सोचते, यही thoughts आता अपने दिमाग में, right? But as my life changed from using gratitude, the things that I took for granted or didn't give a second thought about became an absolute miracle to me. I went from sweating the small stuff in my little world and day-to-day life to opening my eyes and thinking about the bigger picture and wonder of the universe, right? As you understand this gratitude journey, you will know that every little thing has beautiful meaning and it is a miracle of the universe, of the God that is actually keeping us all alive. So it is something to wonder about, like how is it possible that this is so small but this is so big also to keep us alive, right? So when you are in this journey of gratitude, you stop taking things for granted. You start appreciating every little thing that is around you, that is near you, because that is important. And through that only, you open your doors for abundance, right? As the greatest scientist Newton said, when I look at the solar system, I see the earth at the right distance from the sun to receive the proper amounts of heat and light. This did not happen by chance, right? देखो, जितना भी distance solar system में होना चाहिए exactly उतना ही है. क्यों? कैसे? Why? How? How is it that कि सब कुछ इतना perfectly placed है? Gravitational force is perfect. It is actually a miracle. कैसे universe सब चीज इतने properly aligned है? I'm sure it did not happen by chance. Correct. Those words made me think more and more about the bigger picture. It's not an accident that there is a protective atmosphere around us and that beyond it, there is no air or oxygen. It's not an accident that the trees give off oxygen so that our atmosphere is continually replenished. It's not an accident that our solar system is perfectly placed, and if it were anywhere else in the galaxy, we would have most likely to be devastated by cosmic radiation. There are thousands of parameters and ratios that support life on Earth. All of them are on a knife edge, and their fine-tuning is so critical that a fraction of a difference in any of these parameters and ratios would make life unlivable on planet Earth. It is difficult to believe any of these things could have happened by accident. It would seem that they are perfectly designed, perfectly placed, perfectly balanced for us. Right? It is a very small thing जिसके बारे में हम लोग सोचते भी नहीं. कैसे सब कुछ इतना perfectly aligned है, perfectly placed है, अर्थ में लाइव है, जितना एक इंसान को चाहिए उतना ही है. How is it possible? कैसे सब कुछ इतना perfectly created है by God? I'm sure it has not, been happened by accident. राइट कुछ ना कुछ तो एनर्जी है, कुछ ना कुछ तो एक यूनिवर्सल ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स है जो सब चीज इतने परफेक्टली अलाइन करके रखा है. Though it looks very simple It looks very small, जिसके बारे में हम सोचते भी नहीं हैं, but actually this is something to actually think about and be grateful for that. When the realization hits you that all of these things might not be an accident and that the balance of every microscopic element surrounding Earth and on Earth is in perfect harmony to support us, you will feel an overwhelming sense of gratitude for life and because of it has been done to sustain you. जैसे आपको feel होगा कि yes, it is actually made for you. Everything is well designed for you so that human beings can actually stay here in a healthy way. कैसे trees हमें oxygen देती है जो हमें support करता है, जो हमें चाहिए to survive, right? सब कुछ accident से तो नहीं होगा ना. It is created. It is a creation and we should be thankful for that creation कि उस कारण we are alive, we are living in this earth, right? The magical air that you breathe is not an accident or fluke of nature. When you think about the enormousness of what had to take place in the universe for us to have air, and you then take a breathing air into your body becomes breathtaking in every sense of the word. जैसे हमें रियलाइजेशन होता है कि कितना कुछ हुआ होगा यूनिवर्स में ताकि हमें वो एयर मिले, कितना कुछ प्रॉपरली प्लेस्ड हुआ होगा ताकि हमें एक प्योर ऑक्सीजन ब्रीथ करने को मिले, राइट? वी अंडरस्टूड दिस इन द कोविड टाइम कि ऑक्सीजन कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड दिस इज अ क्रूशियल पार्ट ऑफ अ सर्वाइवल थिंग, राइट? ये हमें कोविड के टाइम पे बहुत अच्छे से रियलाइज हुआ था, राइट? तो कि फ्रेश एयर ऑक्सीजन ट्रीज प्लांट करना कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है. बट जैसे ही आप ये रियलाइज करते हो देन यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग ग्रैटिट्यूड, यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग इम्पोर्टेंट कि आपका इंपॉर्टेंस है, आपके लिए ये सब बनाया गया है एंड देन इट बिकम्स लाइक वाओ, आई फील सो गुड अबाउट इट, राइट? यू become full of gratitude for the magical air that you breathe. We take one breath after another and never give a thought to the fact that there is always air for us to breathe. It is unlimited, right? Yet oxygen is one of the most plentiful elements in our body, and as we breathe, it feeds every cell in our body so that we can continue to live. The most precious gift of our life is air because without it, none of us would last more than a few minutes. Actually में देखा जाए तो this is the most precious gift that God has given to us. बिना ऑक्सीजन के, बिना एयर के we cannot survive a single minute. तो कितना हमें ग्रैटिट्यूड फील करना चाहिए क्योंकि बिना एयर के कुछ नहीं हो सकता एंड इट इज एक्चुअली इन अबंडेंस. तो जो चीज इतना अबंडेंस में है उसके लिए हमें रोज ग्रैटिट्यूड करना चाहिए बिकॉज दिस इज मेड अवेलेबल फॉर यू so that you can survive, you can enjoy your life peacefully. When I first began to use gratitude's magical power, I used it for a lot of personal things that I wanted, and it worked. But it was when I began to be grateful for the real gifts in life that I experienced the ultimate power of gratitude. The more grateful I became for a sunset, a tree, the ocean, the dew on the grass, my life, and the people in it, every material thing I have ever dreamt of having poured down upon me. I now understand the reason why it happened that way. When we can feel truly grateful for the precious gifts of life and nature, like the magical air that we breathe, we have reached one of the deepest possible levels of gratitude, and whoever has that depth of gratitude will receive absolute abundance. तो देखो, पहले when we start this practice, हम लोग बहुत materialistic things से भी start करते हैं, कुछ personal things से start करते हैं जो हमें चाहिए. एंड ग्रेजुअली जैसे आप करते रहते हो, जैसे आप प्रैक्टिस करते रहते हो, वैसे आप रियलाइज होते हैं कि दिस गिफ्ट ऑफ लाइफ इज एक्चुअली द रियल गिफ्ट ऑफ लाइफ. इट्स द मोस्ट प्रेशियस थिंग दैट यू कैन एवर हैव. Trees, beautiful sunsets that we witness, every sunrise that we witness, it looks just magical when you witness it actually from your open eyes, right? तो जैसे जैसे आप ये समझने लगोगे वैसे वैसे आपको एक deeper knowledge आएगा कि wow, this world is so beautiful and I'm so grateful to be a part of it. Everything is for me and I actually feel so blessed and thankful for everything that I'm witnessing. Today, stop and think about the glorious air that you breathe. Take 5 deliberate breaths and feel the feeling of the air moving inside your body and feel the joy of breathing it out. Take 5 full breaths in and out 5 different times today. And after you have taken each set of 5 breaths, say the magic words, "Thank you for the magical air that I breathe." And be as genuinely grateful as you can for the precious life-giving air that you breathe, right? तो आज आपको ये practice करना है. You need to just take a pause and think about the glorious air that you are breathing every day. 5 deliberate breaths you need to take and feel the, that feeling of air that is getting inside you, and feel the joy of this gift, of this precious gift. Okay, आपको इसका 5 sets करना है आज, and then वो 5 sets आपको करना है, and after each set you need to say thank you for the magical air that I breathe. Okay, and be genuinely grateful from inside. It is best if you can do this magical practice outside, so you can really feel and appreciate the magnificence of fresh air. But if that's not possible, then do it inside. You can close your eyes while taking the breaths, and you can do it with your eyes open. You can do it while you are walking, waiting in line, shopping, or anywhere at any time you want. The most important thing is to deliberately feel the feeling of the air going in and out of your body. Breathe the way you naturally breathe, because this magical practice is not about your breathing, but about your gratitude for the air you breathe. If taking a bigger breath helps you to feel more gratitude, then do that. If it helps to make a sound or mentally say the magic words thank you as you breathe the air out, then do that. If you want, you can also do a variation of this practice in the future by imagining you are breathing in gratitude and filling yourself up with it with every breath you take. तो आज आपको ये practice करना है. It's better if you do it outside. You can feel the natural air that is getting inside you and going out as well. Appreciate it every single time you take in. Okay, you can close your eyes, and it's okay if you don't want to close your eyes also. It's absolutely fine. You can do it at any moment of the day. जब आप शॉपिंग में जा रहे हो, वॉक कर रहे हो, कहीं पे भी, बस आपको इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आप वो जब एयर ब्रीथ कर रहे हो तो उसको फील करो कि यस यू आर सो ग्रेटफुल फॉर द एयर यू आर ब्रीदिंग इन, एंड दैट इज एक्चुअली कीपिंग यू alive. Okay, इसमें while breathing, if you want to say something, you can say. If you don't want to say, it's okay. If you want to say thank you for the magical air that you are breathing in. ठीक है, मतलब आप कैसे भी कर सकते हो, कोई भी वेरिएशन में कर सकते हो. बस आपको जब आप ब्रीथ कर रहे हो, आपको ग्रैटिट्यूड में करना है, आपको खुद को जॉय से भर देना है. Okay, in ancient teachings, it is said that when a person reaches the point of being deeply grateful for the air that they breathe, their gratitude will have reached a new level of power, and they will have become the true alchemist who can effortlessly turn every part of their life into gold. See, we always feel gratitude for something that we receive, that you can see, that you can touch, right? But जिस दिन आप air जो एक invisible है, जो हमें फील पता नहीं चलता, उसके लिए आप जिस दिन ग्रैटिट्यूड फील करने लगोगे, उस दिन आप एबंडेंस को अपने लाइफ में अट्रैक्ट करोगे. आपको जो चाहिए वो आपको मिलेगा. आप एक एल्केमिस्ट बन जाओगे, जिसमें आप यू कैन टर्न एवरी पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ इनटू गोल्ड. ओके, तो वो एक लेवल पहुंचने में टाइम लगता है, बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग वी कैन नॉट सी. हम वो फील नहीं करते नॉर्मली. हम लोग डे टू डे लाइफ में वी जस्ट कीप रनिंग अराउंड. वी डोंट एक्सप्रेस आवर ग्रेटिट्यूड फॉर समथिंग दैट यू कैन नॉट सी, दैट यू कैन नॉट फील. ओके, तो जिस दिन आपका ये लेवल आ जाएगा, उस दिन आप समझ जाना दैट यू हैव बिकेम एन एल्केमिस्ट, and you can effortlessly turn every part of your life into gold. Okay, so this was all about today's practice, day 23, the magical air that you breathe. Isn't it beautiful? Did you ever think like that? No, right? So today's practice is something that will make you feel alive, that will make you feel like, yes, this world is for you, this universe is for you, it supports you, and because of this air, you are surviving. And it's very important for your life, right? So let's see what you need to do today. First, just count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful, and reread your list. And at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you. And then what you need to do is 5 times today, just stop and think about the glorious air that you're breathing. Take 5 deliberate breaths and feel the joy of breathing it out as well. After you have taken 5 breaths, say the magic words thank you for the magical air that I breathe after each set. Okay, be as grateful as you can for the precious life-giving air that you breathe. And then you need to do the magic rock practice. Hold your magic rock in your hand and say thank you for the best thing that has happened throughout the day. Okay, so this was all about the magical air that you breathe. Feel the air, enjoy your day today, and stay tuned for the day 24, the magic wand. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.